Jeff Keenan here with the Hansshow real carbon fiber mirror covers for the Tesla Model 3 Highland. Well packaged in this box, which is super light because they weigh next to nothing. Each mirror cover was individually wrapped and there's some adhesion agent in the box, enough for both mirrors. I ordered the black matte finish, which matches the spoiler and dash trim on the 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland Performance. A version that fits the older Model 3s, and it also comes in a gloss carbon fiber finish. As you can see, they're real carbon fiber all the way through, and they're held on by these very strong double-sided tapes. I carefully used a blade to remove the backing from the tape, and then I cleaned and wiped down the mirrors with the adhesion agent. Before installing these, unlock the car, leave the doors and windows down. You don't want the mirrors to accidentally fold while you're doing this installation. And having the windows down makes it easier to work on the back side of the mirror. Line up the inner part of the mirror first and then press down. It's going to adhere pretty quickly with these tapes, so you want to get it right the first time. These look awesome on the Highland Performance. They match the dash trim perfectly. And they don't interfere with the mirror folding function at all. And not only do they look good, but they're going to protect your mirror housings from rock chips and other debris. There you go. The Hansshow carbon fiber mirror covers for the Tesla Model 3. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Tesla, Rivian, Wi-Fi, and tech products.